back, all of you. We are learning about exercise related to the topic Welcome to Nepal. I already taught you about the story. I think all of you are very clear about the story now. Okay, we will do the related exercise today. Understand, student? Okay, let's begin. One, replace the words with the opposite words from the story. Okay, you have to see the story again, text again, and you have to find out the opposite word from your book. It is in page number 6, 5, 4 and 3. Okay? Okay, at number A, Dipali and Ramesh were going to their uncle and aunt's city. Okay, there is the word city here. We have to find out the opposite of this city. Okay, you can see in your book also. It is page number 3. And what is the opposite of city? Any guesses? Yes, of course, it's village. It's so simple, yes. Dipali and Ramesh were going to their uncle and aunt's city. It's not village, it's not city, it's village. Okay? The opposite of city is village here. Okay? Number B, they sat in the garden and aunt made them a lovely hot drink. Students, what is the opposite of hot here? Yes, the opposite of hot is cold. Very good. Yes. They sat in the garden and aunt made them a lovely, in the place of hot, cold drink. Yes, you can find out these answer easily in your book also. Okay. Number C, Dipali and Ramesh were going nowhere together. Okay. Dipali and Ramesh were going nowhere together. What is the opposite of nowhere here? Yes, can you guess it? I think you all know. Yes, it's everywhere. Everywhere. Yes. Dipali and Ramesh were going everywhere together. Yes, they went everywhere. Yes, at the village market, to meet the Mohit's friend. Yes, at his school. Everywhere they went together. Yes. And number D, they tried to copy, but Nepali was easy for them to write. Yes? Easy for them to write. What is the opposite of easy here? Can you find it? They tried to copy, but Nepali was easy for them to write. The opposite of easy is hard. Yes, of course. The opposite of easy is hard. Okay. Number E. Mom told them to wear new clothes. New clothes for Holi. Okay. What is the opposite of new here? Yes, the opposite of new is old. Yes. Mom told them to wear not new. The mom told them to wear old clothes for Holi. Okay. And the last one, number F. It was boring to be in a city. What is the opposite of boring? It was boring to be in a city. The opposite of boring is interesting. Yes. The opposite of boring is interesting. It was interesting to be in a city. You can easily find out this opposite words. Okay. This village, cold, everywhere, hard, old, interesting in your textbook. Yes. I already told you that page number 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can easily find out that words, and you can, I think now you can do it easily, this exercise. Let me remind you, Dipali and Ramesh were going to their uncle and aunts. Not city, it's village. Yes, the opposite of city is village. They sat in the garden and aunt made them a lovely hot drink. It's not hot, it's cold drink. Yes, student? Dipali and Ramesh were going nowhere together. It's not nowhere, it's everywhere together. They tried to copy, but Nepali was easy for them to write. No, Nepali was hard for them to write. The opposite of easy is hard here. Yes. Mom told them to wear new clothes for Holi. The opposite of new is old. Mom told them to wear old clothes for Holi. Yes. It was boring to be in a city. The opposite of boring is interesting. Yes. Okay, students. Now we will go to another exercise. Okay. This is in page number 7. It's learning words in sentence 1. Write one sentence for each of these words. One example is done for you. Already one example is in your book. Now you have to make another sentence by knowing the meaning of that word. Okay, students? Number 2, make sentences. Okay? At number A, it's take around. Do you know the meaning of take around? You can see at your book also, it is already written. Take somebody to show places. Yes? One example is already written in your book. My sister takes me around when I go to Pokhara. Yes? Take around means to take somebody to show the places. Yes? And another one, you have to make sentence of your own by using this word. Okay? And writing its guide takes me around at Chitwan National Park. Okay? This is the sentence of take around. Guide takes me around at Chitwan National park. Okay, students. Now it's page number 8. It's number B. At number B, it's long time. What is the meaning of long time? Long period. Yes. The meaning of long time is long period. Now we have to make a sentence of this. And in your book it is already written, Ramita's brother returned home after a long time. Okay. And I am going to write, we haven't been to school, yes, for a long time. Yes, because of this virus, we cannot go to school for a long time. We haven't been to school for a long time. Okay. And number C, it's write off. Okay. You can write with me also. Okay, no problem, students. Write off, it's immediately. Immediately. The meaning of write off is immediately. Now, the example written here is, I told his result right off, or I told his result immediately. Okay. Now, I am going to write the sentence is, we should take victims right off to the hospital after an accident. Okay. We should take victims right off to the hospital after an accident. Right off means immediately. Okay. And it's number D now. It's time to go. The meaning is right time. Okay. The example written here is 9 p.m. is the time to go bed. And we can write 7 a.m. or you can write 7:30 a.m. or you can write 6 a.m. Yes, is the time to go morning walk. Okay, 7 a.m. is the time to go morning walk. Is the right time to go morning walk. Yes. Okay, here are few words. We will again make sentence of this word. Okay. At number E. Number E, it is look for. Look for. What is the meaning of look for? Hope for something. Okay. And what is the example written there? It is, my parents always look for the better performance in my exam. Yes. Hope for something good. Okay. I look for, I'm giving you the example of this sentence. You have to make your own sentence, okay? By taking the idea from my sentence, or you can take help from the examples written in your book also. I look for beautiful, yes, gift for my birthday. Yes, you are hoping for a beautiful gift for your birthday. That is the sentence I made from look for. Okay. And last one. It is each other. Okay, students. It's each other. The meaning is one another. Yes, the example written here is Don and Susie really loved each other. Okay, you can say Suresh and Subhas help each other. Yes, that is the sentence of this word or phrase, each other. Suresh and Subhas help each other. Okay. Now last one exercise is left here, number 3. Okay, you have to match the words with their meaning there. It's column A and column B. Okay, it is in page number 9. Okay, let's do that also. Students, you can write after me also. Okay, no problem. Then it will be easier for you to learn it. Take idea and then practice it. Number 3, match the words with their what meaning? Okay? At column A, it's column B. It's column A, it's vermilion. It's vermilion. Number B, it's trip. Number C, special. Number D, it's previous. Last one, it's C off. Okay, I am writing the meaning randomly. It's all here. Bright red color. Okay, students, go to say goodbye. Yes, not usual. The last one is short journey. Okay, students. Now we have to match with their meaning here. It's word here only in column A and it's B. There are meaning and we have to match it. Okay, students. Vermilion. What do you think? It's earlier or it's bright red color or good to say goodbye, not usual or short journey. What do you think? Yes, vermilion is the bright red color. Okay. Trip means what? Trip means earlier, go to say goodbye, not usual or short journey. Any idea? Yes. Trip means short journey. Okay. Special means what? You know? It's not usual. Okay. And previous means it's earlier. And last one, yes, you can easily find out. CF means go to say goodbye. Okay, students, we have done 3 exercises today. Yes, first one is finding the opposites. Second one is making sentences. And last one is matching with their meaning. Hope you all know now and you get the idea how to do the exercise. Now, this much for today. Yes, we will meet in another class. Till then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.